that this video is the latest in a series of comments and incidents that expose Rahul Gandhi's anti-Dalit mindset.
राहुल गांधी दलित विरोधी है अपने
Okay, all right. We'll play out that reaction in just a moment. But this is a video that has been tweeted by Amit Malviya where he says that the anti-Dalit mindset of the Congress party has been exposed. BJP national spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla has also hit out at the Congress party. Listen in.
दलितों का अपमान यही राहुल गांधी की पहचान। जिस प्रकार से राहुल गांधी ने अपने ही पार्टी के एक वरिष्ठ नेता से माला नहीं लिया क्योंकि वो दलित समुदाय से आते हैं, वैसे राहुल गांधी पूरे देश में संविधान और दलित का पाठ पढ़ाते रहते हैं। पर किस प्रकार से दलित विरोधी मानसिकता है ये बार बार राहुल गांधी दिखाते हैं। इन्होंने ही तो कहा था ना, आरक्षण समाप्त कर लेंगे। आम्बेडकर जी की तस्वीर भी जमीन पर रखी थी। इनके परिवार में ही दलित विरोधी डीएनए है। ये दलित विरोधी मानसिकता इनके परिवार में, राजनीतिक डीएनए में कूट कूट कर भरी हुई है।
Congress leader Udit Raj is joining us on the broadcast. Udit Raj ji, the BJP has picked up this video where Rahul Gandhi is refusing to accept a garland from Bhajan Lal Jatav ji, and the BJP says that this is Congress's anti-Dalit mindset. How would you respond to that?
They are fraud. They are lawyer. It's not like this. And accepting garland or not accepting doesn't mean the empowerment. It has been done by only and only Congress, and ever since Mr. Modi has ascended, the reservation is being diluted continuously. Privatization, outsourcing, contractual labor. What they have to say that from 2018 there has been lateral entry to recruit IS without reservation. Who's anti-Dalit? Without reservation. Out of 48 universities, central universities in the government, not a single Shirukas is a vice chancellor. So what happened to Dalits and Adivasis have been crushed by this government. What to talk about it? So what happened? I don't know. I think all of them are stepping in the shoes of Biden, that they have a losses of memory. What we have been telling, they are repeating it. That means they don't have any agenda.
But the BJP has cited a statement that was made by Rahul Gandhi that reservation will end when India is in a fair place. They say that such a statement coming in from Rahul Gandhi, such behavior of not accepting a garland from a Dalit leader, shows the Congress party's real anti-Dalit face.
Dr. Ambedkar said so. I say so. We are not happy to be called Dalit unless if we are empowered, we come at the par with others. We don't need it. BJP is not allowing us to come at the par with others. That is what Rahul ji has said. Okay. And he is a true well-wisher. And he wants that Dalits should come up fast.
So are you saying, sir, Mr. Udit Raj, are you saying that the Congress party is in agreement on ending reservation?
What should I say? Should I say you are mad, or a person who said? He said that level playing field met, we all come at the level of others. That is what he says. When we come at the level of upper caste and others, we don't need. I am Dalit saying. Dr. Ambedkar said so.
Okay, all right. So the BJP has now cited that statement and has put out this video and has said that the Congress and the Gandhi family have always given nothing to the Dalit community except politically neglecting them and exploiting them as vote bank.
You don't
Okay,
know.
so you've rejected what the BJP has said and you're saying that it's absolutely false. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Udit Raj. The Congress party is saying that the claim of the BJP is absolutely false. Amit Malviya of the BJP has taken to Twitter to put out this video, the visual that you're seeing on the screen, when Rahul Gandhi was greeted by a few Congress leaders, and Bhajan Lal Jatav was seen giving a garland to Rahul Gandhi and wanted to put it around his neck, but he refused and he took the garland in his hand. Now, Amit Malviya has taken to social media X to tweet out this video and say, and I quote, "Why does Rahul Gandhi object object to wearing a garland from the hands of Bhajan Lal Jatav, a Dalit leader from Rajasthan and his own party. Congress and the Gandhi family have always given nothing to the Dalit community except politically neglecting them and exploiting them as a vote bank. The BJP now says this is the Dalit Virodhi mindset of the Congress.
राहुल गांधी दलित विरोधी हैं। अपने ही नेता जो दलित समाज में आते हैं उनसे माला ना लेकर राहुल गांधी ने स्पष्ट कर दिया कि गांधी परिवार और राहुल गांधी दलितों को सेकंड ग्रेड सिटीजन्स के रूप में ट्रीट करते हैं। इसीलिए ये दलितों के बारे में झूठ बोलते हैं। बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर को इन्होंने 30 साल से ज्यादा तक भारत रत्न नहीं दिया। बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर को अपना पहला चुनाव हराया और सेंट्रल हॉल ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट में इन्होंने 40 साल तक बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर की प्रतिमा नहीं रखी। इसीलिए ये संविधान की खाली कॉपी लेकर घूमते हैं। गांधी परिवार दलितों को सेकंड ग्रेड सिटीजन ट्रीट करता है। महाराष्ट्र से लेकर झारखंड तक दलित समाज गांधी परिवार और कांग्रेस पार्टी को सबक सिखाएगा, जैसे हरियाणा में भी सिखाया था। राहुल गांधी
So this is the reaction from the BJP saying that the true mindset of the Congress party, which is anti-Dalit, has now been exposed yet again in this video, saying that Rahul Gandhi was arriving there. He was greeted by several leaders of the Congress party and he was cordial to all except Bhajan Lal Jatav, who was offering him a garland, and Rahul Gandhi refused the garland from the Congress leader. So the BJP says that this is a leader, tall leader from the Dalit community. He is a part of the Congress party, and yet Rahul Gandhi objected to wearing a garland that was given to him by the Dalit leader, by Bhajan Lal Jatav. And the BJP has now said that the Congress party and Gandhi family have given nothing to the Dalit community and have only been using them as vote bank and nothing else. So this has led to a political war of words, with the Congress party now rejecting what the BJP has been saying. The Congress party says that this is a video that is misleading and the charge against Rahul Gandhi is absolutely false. But look at the video. This is a visual that has been tweeted by the BJP, where it has alleged that the Dalit Virodhi mindset of the Congress party has been exposed. In this video, it's a 13-second video, and it has been tweeted by Amit Malviya of the BJP, and the video shows Rahul Gandhi entering, and as he enters, he is greeted by a few Congress leaders. These are senior leaders of the party, and this also has Ashok Gehlot. He is greeted by him. Some of the other leaders are also there. But this particular moment that you're seeing right now of Bhajan Lal Jatav trying to garland Rahul Gandhi is what led to the controversy, with the BJP saying that Rahul Gandhi refused to accept the garland from him. Now, this video has sparked a storm, with the Samajwadi Party also backing Rahul Gandhi and hitting back at the BJP, saying, why not appoint a Dalit RSS chief?
पहनने में आपत्ति क्यों है? देखिए, अमित मालविया को हम देख रहे हैं कल से, तो वो अडानी जी को बचाने के लिए सुबह शाम लगे हुए हैं। उनको उस क्रांतिकारी आंदोलन में और आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। और रही अगर दलितों को लेकर बहुत प्रेम है भारतीय जनता पार्टी और आरएसएस के अंदर, तो एक आरएसएस का जो चीफ है, एक किसी एससी कम्युनिटी से बीच से आए हुए शख्स को बना दीजिए, आप बना के दिखाइए आप। और दलित समाज की पूरे देश में मांग है कि एससी एसटी एक्ट, जो एट्रोसिटीज एक्ट है, जो जिसको वीकेंड करने का काम किया गया, सभी चाहते हैं कि नरेंद्र मोदी संसद में एक अध्यादेश लाके उसको पलटने का काम करें। अमित मालविया जी, मैं जानता हूं वो बहुत ही प्रो दलित है, और हमारी जो समाजवादियों की इस मांग को हो सकता है कि वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी तक जरूर पहुंचाएंगे।
लेकिन वो सवाल ये उठा रहे कि राहुल गांधी को आपत्ति क्यों है?